morning all. Hello, welcome to RR Newsline. It's me Anjana with today's news. And let's go through today's main headlines. ACS College Sapiens conducted several programs during these corona days through online. Heavy rain will continue in the state. Red alert were declared in 4 districts. Meteorological department issued warning. Live Literacy Club of ACS College Srikantapuram conducted an international e-lecture through virtual platform. Election campaign going well on Kerala. Candidates take precautions during this time. Let's go to a detailed report. ACS College Sapiens conducted several online programs during these COVID days very actively. Reported Hannah Haran joined with us from Srikantapuram. Hannah, what are the activities Sapiens doing during that days?
ACS College Srikantapuram ASAP unit had conducted different types of competition for college students all over Kerala. The program was started in November 26 until December 3rd. The participants are the students from different districts in Kerala. The students of ASAP were coordinated the program quite well by the instruction of their ASAP coordinator. They conducted several programs like diary writing, short story writing, drawing competition, caption writing and different types of puzzles. Team Mighty Indians were conducted an inter-college quiz competition and a lot of students from different colleges were participated in it. Team KKR conducted an All Kerala Ludo competition and a lot of people from different districts were participated in it. Team CSK conducted a photography contest for SCS college students and also they conducted an ISL prediction competition. Team Radiant Royals conducted a short story writing competition named Kahaniwala and they had decided to publish a magazine soon. Based on the marks, Team Radiant Royals won the 4th lap of ASAP.
Okay, thank you, Hannah. In order to know more information about international e-lecture conducted by ACS College Srikantapuram, we want to go with reporter Adila. Adila, please.
Literary Club of ACS College Srikantapuram, Layer conducted an international e-lecture through Google Meet on Monday. The lecture was based on New African Woman, a portrait by Mrs. Jacqueline Namani, a research scholar and senior secondary school teacher at Babin College, Lusaka in Zambia. The class was started on evening 7 o'clock and the participants were almost 100 were that is the maximum allowed participants in Google Meet. The program chaired by Dr. N. Sajan, faculty member of English Department, Kannur University. We can say that the program is the milestone for English Department as well as ACS College.
Okay, thank you, Adila. Return back to news. Heavy rain reported in southern part of state. Red alert were declared in 4 states, including Thiruvananthapuram, Alappuzha, Pathanamthitta and Idukki. Meteorological department issued warning to fishermen. Reporter Arisri from Alappuzha joined with us. Arisri, what was the condition now?
Continued in the state. Red alert was declared in 4 districts and yellow alert in 8 districts. The Central Meteorological Department was issued a warning. A fisherman were not go to the sea. And the new phases of Kerala in Burevi cyclone. The extreme level of flood danger is announced in the at least of 5 places. Warning to be vigilant. Today updation of COVID-19. There are 5,376 new cases in Kerala and the contact patient is 4,724 and healing is 5,519 and today total in the death toll is 31.
Thank you, Arisri. Election campaign is going well in Kerala. Different from old manner, only 4 or 5 members go for election work. Reporter Rachel Raj from Kuthuparamba joined with us. Rachel, how was the election process going on?
1.72 lakh new voters to be provided ID cards days ahead of civic polls. With just 4 days left for the first phase of election to the local self-government bodies in Kerala. The State Election Commission has begun the process of distributing photo identity cards to the new voters. In all, 1.72 lakh new voters have been enrolled and it will be an uphill task to the handover identity cards within the stipulated time. The identity cards have the size of an ATM card. In features, the voter's name, father's name, address, house number, gender, and the photo on the back. The name of the district civic body, ward name, and the number of polling station. And the signature of the Electoral Registration Officer, ERO, are featured. With each local body having 4,000 new voters, the EEROs have to race against time to provide the cards. They intended to distribute the cards with the assistance of Anganwadi workers.
Aishwarya, we are joined with us for sports news. Thank you.
Welcome to Sports News. BCCI decided to hold its annual general meeting on December 24 to discuss on approving 2 new IPL teams, making it a 10-team IPL. Besides the appointment of India's IPC representatives and 3 new national selectors, also on the agenda is the election of a new vice president. Kerala Blasters captain Sergio Sidanjo expected to be out of the team for an extended period of time due to injury. A tweet from Kerala Blasters confirmed that Sidanjo has sustained a high-grade ligament tear on both sides of his ankle during the goalless draw against Chennai FC on Sunday. Sports News ends with a detailed report on ISL prepared by our reporter Akash.
Kerala blow up 2-goal lead, settle for draw against Northeast. At GMC Athletic Stadium in Bambolim, Kerala Blasters were leading 2-0 at halftime before a spirited comeback from Northeast United saw them having to settle for 2-2 draw. Still winners after 2 games, Blasters will have to quickly work out a way to turn all that possession and domination on the ball into results. Against ATK Mohan Bagan in the opener, they dominated every metric expecting the chances created. Here, they wilted under pressure from Northeast side, who are showing after each passing game that they are here to give everyone a run for their money. Blasters scored 2 goals in the first half through Sergio Sidanjo and Gary Hooper, and Northeast scored 2 goals in the second half through Kwesi Appiah and Idrissa Silla.
Thank you for watching us.